Hello, dear students. Welcome back. Let us continue with the lesson Yonamin and Bushi. One day, Yonamin announced that she would like to visit her parents. I will leave in the evening and return the next day in time to cook your dinner, she said to her husband. Okay, one day, Yonamin told her husband that she would leave in the evening to meet her parents and she would return the next day to cook his dinner. You really should not travel during the night, Bushi said her firmly. Bushi said to her, you should not travel in the night you should not travel. There are bandits about. Okay, it is just not safe for women to go out alone after it is dark. So Bushi told it is not safe for women to travel at night, and he also reminded there are bandits about. The robbers are about. Okay, you should not travel in the night. It is just not safe for a woman to go out alone after it is dark. My dear husband, you forget that you married a trained wrestler, Yonamin said to him with a smile. Okay, with a smile, Yonamin told her husband, okay, my dear husband, you forget that you married a trained wrestler. Okay, your wife is a trained wrestler. You forget that. Yonamin with a smile told it to her husband. Don't forget that I threw you down flat on the ground. Don't forget that I threw you down flat on the ground, said Bushi. You are not unbeatable, Bushi told her. Okay, you don't forget that I defeated you. Okay, I threw you down flat on the ground. I defeated you. And you are not unbeatable. That shows that you are not unbeatable. Somebody can defeat you. Don't worry, said Yonamin. Okay, Yonamin told her husband not to worry. Bandits, she said, bandits are not as skilled as you are. I can take care of myself, she told. Bandits are not as skilled as you are, and I can take care of myself, Yonamin told her husband. Bushi was not pleased. He was not happy to hear all that. She is overconfident. Bushi thought that his wife is overconfident. Bushi was not pleased. She is overconfident, he thought to himself. She must be taught a lesson for her own good. Okay, here Bushi decided to teach his wife a lesson for her own good. That evening, Yonamin left to walk to her father's home. As soon as she left home, Bushi disguised himself as a bandit. Disguised himself as a bandit means he dressed up like a bandit, wearing shabby clothes, smearing dark colors over his hands, and covering his face with a scarf. Okay, this way he dressed up. Bushi dressed up like a bandit. He disguised himself as a bandit, wearing shabby clothes, smearing dark colors over his hands, and covering his face with a scarf. He ran as fast as he could to hide behind a clump of trees at a fork on the road. Okay, after dressing up like a bandit, Bushi ran as fast as he could to hide behind a clump of trees. Okay, a clump of trees is a collective noun. Trees, collective noun, clump of trees. At a fork on the road. That's what happened. Darkness fell. and he saw Yonamin approaching the fog, from where she would take a left turn to reach her father's house. When she crossed the clump of trees, Bushi jumped out from behind the trees and tried to attack her. Okay, when she reached there, Bushi jumped out of the clump of trees and then started attacking her. Let's see what happened. Yonamin was swift and sharp in her reaction to the attack. She held her attacker by the hand and kicked him with such a force that the attacker fell to the ground unconscious. Okay. Yonamin was swift, very fast and sharp, okay, in her reaction to the attack. She held her attacker by the hand and kicked him with such a force that the attacker fell to the ground unconscious. Yonamin dragged him and tied him to a tree with a sash. So she used a shawl and then tied him to a tree. She adjusted her backpack and set off round in the corner for her father's home. Okay, after tying the attacker to a tree, she set off means left the corner for her father's house. The next day, as she was returning home in the afternoon, she saw her bandit still tied to the tree, as she had left him the previous night. Okay, while on the return journey, when she reached the place, she saw that the bandit was still there, tied to the tree where she left him the last night. Shall I untie you now? Okay, here Yonamin came and asked her, shall I untie you now or leave you here? She asked him. Please untie me, mumbled the bandit, said in a very soft voice. Please untie me, mumbled the bandit. I beg you to forgive me. Okay, the bandit said, I beg you to forgive me. Please pardon me. I shan't ever do this again. I shall not do it again. Shan't means shall not. Okay. He said, please untie me. I beg you to forgive me. I shan't ever do this again, he said to Yonamin. Swiftly she untied him and walked away quickly. Swiftly he untied him and walked away quickly. She was in a hurry. She had to reach. Let's continue from here. She has reached home in time to cook her husband's evening meal. She was in a hurry to reach home to cook food for her husband. Little did she realize that she had just released her husband from his captivity. She did not know it was Bushi. She did not know. Okay, it is mentioned here. Little did she realize that she had just released her husband from his captivity. So she tied her own husband to the tree and left the previous night. And now she untied him. That she was not at all aware about that incident. She did not know anything about him. There was no sign to recognize her husband because Bushi was disguised just like a bandit. That evening, quite a while after she had set the dinner ready, Bushi walked in looking tired and dull. Okay, that evening, quite a while after she had set the dinner ready. Okay, she reached home, she prepared the dinner and kept it ready. Bushi walked in, that time just Bushi reached there, looking very tired and dull. She helped him wash and set out fresh clothes for him to wear. Okay, she helped him wash and set out fresh clothes for him to wear. She invited him to have a hot meal. So after bath, she gave him new fresh clothes to wear. After that, she invited him to have a hot meal. As Bushi sat down to dinner, he brought out a white sash from his pocket and gave it to his wife. "This is yours, if I am not mistaken," he said, looking into her eyes. Okay, when he sat down to have his dinner, he took out a white sash from his pocket and gave it to his wife. Then he said, "This is yours, if I am not mistaken." "Oh, Bushi, was it you? I am so sorry," exclaimed Yonami. Okay, after seeing the sash, she realized that the bandit was her husband. Okay, then she said, "Oh, Bushi, was it you? I am so sorry." "You don't have to be sorry," said Bushi. Okay, Bushi said, "You don't have to be sorry. You taught me a lesson that I won't forget all my life." Bushi told, "Okay, you don't say sorry to me. You taught me a lesson that I won't forget." Won't forget. Won't means it's a short form of will not. Okay, I will not forget all my life. And that is, and what's the lesson? Don't underestimate anybody. What's the lesson Benamin taught Bushi? Don't underestimate anybody. "You don't have to be sorry," said Bushi. "You taught me a lesson that I won't forget all my life. And that is, don't underestimate anybody." "Not even a woman?" asked Yonamin playfully, just playfully, for fun. Yonamin asked, "Not even a woman?" Let's see now what he said. "Especially not a woman." Okay, especially not a woman, said Bushi. And they burst out laughing together. Okay, after saying this, both of them laughed loud together. Okay, that's the end of this lesson. I hope all of you enjoyed the lesson, and all the questions and answers, the meaning, etc. I will be giving you in the next video. Okay, till we meet in the next video, all of you take care, stay safe. Bye.